Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'll give you complete details about IIT Guwahati PhD admission and MA admission. So guys, I think uh, this video will be really helpful for those uh, who want to get admission in PhD and also in like masters program. Okay, and I am making this video just for humanities and social science background guys. There are so many departments for mtech, mdays, uh, ms by research program, but all these programs are not related to like humanities and social science candidates. So I will discuss about like just for uh, MA and PhD program in Humanities and Social Science department. So guys, if you want to get good information about IIT Guwahati, so you should watch this video till the end. Okay, so I'll give you complete idea. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So this is the notification, and I will tell you about like PhD admission programs and look MA in development studies program. So other programs are there. These are not related to humanities and social science domain. Okay, so first I will tell you about I will discuss about like PhD program. So look, applications process started on 16 March and it will be end on like 12 April. Okay, now these are the some important information. Okay, so you have to read it carefully, but I will tell you just two or three points. Okay, first I will tell you about application fees. Look, 150 rupees. Okay, very like low application fees. So all the reserve category and female candidates, it is just like 150 rupees, but for general and OBC candidate it is like 300 rupees. So you can apply. One more important information is that you can apply more than one. Okay, so if you want to apply like in different departments, you can apply in IIT Guwahati. Okay, suppose if you are a master's student from any subject like sociology, but you want to go for both. If you want to apply in both, like if you want to apply in PhD, you can apply. Okay, in PhD. And if you want to get more idea about like uh, MA, as in IIT Guwahati, the MA program is interdisciplinary program. So okay, so you can apply for both. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful, because this information you cannot find it, okay, in any part of this website. Okay, so I think it will be really helpful. And now I will tell you about like seat. Okay, I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also. So look, one more important information. For a second I have to uh, stop my video so that you will be able to see the seed matrix. Okay, look guys, the students who are from social science background, look this. So this, what is this program code? So it is the program code P4101 and department. And look, huge number of seats are there for PhD. 35 seats means huge number of seats. 35 seats means huge number of seats. Okay, so you have to grab a seat. Look, 3 seats for ST, 5 seats for SC, 9 seats for OBC, and seats for EWS category, and general category 14 seats are there. So guys, these are the seat matrix for humanities and social science background. So guys, huge opportunity are there. You can grab a seat. So please share this information with your friends. It will be really helpful. And these are the total seat matrix of IIT Guwahati for like July 2021 session. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Now I will discuss about like eligibility criteria. So look guys, this is the eligibility criteria. You can read it carefully. For admission to PhD program in the Department of Humanities and Social Science. Okay, so a candidate must satisfy one of the following criteria. Any one of the criteria you have to follow, like masters. So master's degree in arts, commerce, science. Look guys, arts, commerce, science in relevant area with a minimum either 5.5 or 55% marks or equivalent. And second criteria is master degree student in engineering, technology, design in a relevant area with a minimum CPI of 6. Okay, and third, 4-year bachelor's degree like in engineering, technology, design equivalent, and CPI it will be like 7 or 70%. So look, for receiving assistantship in PhD program in humanities and social science, candidates qualifying like UGC, CSI, NET lecturership are also eligible. The students uh, who have already qualified UGC, CSI, NET, so they can apply. And relaxation for SC/ST PWD candidate eligibility criteria for by marks 5% less. So I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, so it will be really helpful. You have to explore, but those who will qualify GATE 2021, you will be able to put your GATE score during your application. Okay, so listen carefully. So you have to put your GATE result and GATE score, but wait for your GATE scorecard. Okay, so I think this information will be really helpful. Now I will show you about other information. Schedule and selection process. So it will be updated. Look here, it will be updated dates for selection process, interview or counseling. It will be updated here. Okay, according to your departments. Okay, now I will tell about like requirement for institute assistantship. Okay, only for regular and full-time category candidates. So you have to read it very carefully. The students, okay, the students who will get institute a fellowship or institute assistantship, first 2 years you will get like 31,000, and subsequent years you will get 35,000. Okay, the requirements of it like get, look here it is updated, here it is updated. Okay, those who will qualify GATE, seed, NET, and inspire, etc. So you will get, okay, so don't worry about it. Okay, so you will get, even the students who have like uh, UGC NET LS qualification, so it will be really helpful. If you if you if the qualifying degree is MA in humanities and social science department or equivalent, then the candidates must have valid UGC NET JRF and UGC NET LS qualification. So it will be really helpful. So don't worry about that. Okay, so if this qualifying degree MSc, so it means that you should have gate score. Okay, so it means that all the students, um, you will be able to apply. Okay, don't worry about any information related to your application. All information will be updated. Okay, you will be able to apply with your gate score. Okay, when you will apply, you will see all the related information. Okay, so you should apply in most of the departments. Okay, if you have opportunity to apply in many departments, you can apply. Like in IIT Bombay, you will be able to apply more than two departments. Okay, though if you are from psychology sociology background, you can apply in humanities and social science department. You will be able to apply in management studies department. So you will get more than one opportunity, so it will increase your opportunity. Now I will give you some other idea, and wait for that. So guys, like you can explore all this information, PhD program offering departments and center available research areas. And look, I will show you everything. I think this information will be really helpful. Look, humanities and social science, archaeology, all areas, development studies. So like those students who are from development studies background already completed their MA program from IIT, like MA in development studies, they can apply for this area, for PhD in this area. Okay, so history student can explore in this domain, in this research field. So linguistic students can explore in this area, so you can pause. So philosophy student, you will be able to apply all areas of philosophy. Similarly psychology, so these are very important subject, you know. Sociology of gender and law. So I think this, all this information will be really helpful. These are the some eligibility criteria you have to, sorry guys, so these are the some research field where you will be able to apply. Okay, so you have to explore all the departments professors profile. Okay, you should go, you should visit the website of humanities and social science department of IIT Guwahati, and after that you have to check professor's profile and your area of interest, and the professor's area of research should be equal. Okay, should be same. Okay, so at that time you can email him or her. Okay, so it will be very good for you to interact with the professors, uh, where you like if you want to really go for research program, you have to interact with professors. Okay, so by email. Okay, you have to send an email to that professors, like whose profile you are interested. Okay, so this information I think will be really helpful. Now I'll show you one more important information, that is like PhD program joint mode. It's, this is for like engineering student. So uh, already I have discussed this. Okay, application fees and reservation of seats and format, this is not so necessary. Available seats or tentative seats, I think this information all about for PhD admission. Now I'll tell you about, I will tell about like MA in development studies. So MA in development studies, like you have to explore like selection process will be notified later. You can see this. Now I will discuss application fee. Same application fee for MA program. Already I have discussed this. Okay, and look, already I am discussing about admission to MA in development studies for July 2021. So look, reservation of seats and number of seat matrix. Look, already I have discussed in my previous video. Number of seats distribution: 24 seats for general, 6 seats for EWS, 16 seats for OBC, 9 seats for SC, 5 seats for ST, 60 seats are there. So you have lot of opportunities. Okay, lot of opportunities you have to explore only. Okay, now I'll give you some idea about like uh, look guys, types of categories of MA students. Okay, look, eligibility requirements for applying MA program. Okay, so these are two major eligibility criteria. Okay, so you can read this like 1 and 2. Just pause my video and wait for that information. You can read this. So this information will be really helpful. So huge number of seats for PhD student. Okay, huge number of seats there. So look guys, like for PhD admission 35 seats are there. 35 seats mean a huge number of seats. 35 seats means 35 seats mean huge number of seats, and 60 seats for MA program, huge number of seats, huge number of seats. MA program 60 seat means huge number of seats. So you have lot of opportunities now. You have lot of opportunities. 60 seats for MA program, 60 seats for MA program, and 35 seats for PhD program. So huge number of seats for humanities and social science department. So I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, so now I can on my video. Okay, so 35 seats for PhD, and and 60 seats for like MA program, MA candidates. So guys, like yesterday I got three or uh, like uh, 4 or 5 calls from different state of our country. So two students from like uh, Madhya Pradesh, and one student from Bihar, and one student from Gujarat. So guys, if you need any help, you can call me, you can text me. Already I have I have given my WhatsApp number and call number. So you can call me if you need any help. And like guys, if you have any query about your application process, okay, so you should contact, okay, don't worry, feel free to contact me. My call number is 89725225227. You can call me in this number. And one more important information, if you need any help, so I am here to help you. Okay, because I am well familiar with this uh, humanities and social science department. So I have lot of information I can share with you. If you need any help, you can text me, you can call me. Okay, I will show you one more important information. You can interact with me in my Instagram and in my Facebook page. So I'll be there. Okay, so anytime you can send me message. So I'll show you about my like Facebook page. Okay, about my Facebook page. Just for your information, I want to show that. Okay, so look guys, this is my Facebook. So I think this information will be really helpful. Okay, this information will be really helpful. So all about today, and tata guys, thank you, all the best, Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.